Found my peace in this warm embrace. The reggae rhythm plays so low, like a secret only lovers know. Every breath you gently take feels like a dream I never want to break. Don't let the morning steal this view. I just want more time with you. Stay till morning, don't go away. Let this moment forever stay. In your arms is where I belong, like a sweet, slow reggae song. Stay till morning, hold me tight, don't let go before the light. When the bass line fades and the day breaks through, I just wanna wait with you. The world can wait outside the door. I don't need anything more, just the warmth of your gentle skin and the love I feel within. The ceiling fan turns soft and slow as midnight turns to amber glow. No rush, no worry, no demand, just your fingers in my hand. Don't let the morning steal this view. I just want more time with you. Stay till morning, don't go away. Let this moment forever stay. In your arms is where I belong, like a sweet, slow reggae song. Stay till morning, hold me tight, don't let go before the light. When the bass line fades and the day breaks through, I just wanna wait with you. Let the night drift slowly by beneath the calm and loving sky. Motown warmth and island breeze bring my restless heart ease. Oh, no need to say goodbye. Just stay here till the sunrise. Stay till morning, don't go away. Let this moment forever stay. In your arms is where I belong, like a sweet, slow reggae song. Stay till morning, hold me tight, don't let go before the light. When the bass line fades and the day breaks through, I just wanna wait with you. Soft bass drifting into day, but your love won't fade away. As the sunrise finds the blue, I still wanna wake with you. I watch you smile across the room, like morning light chasing away the gloom. You never say what's on your mind, but I feel something you try to hide. The way you move when the music plays tells me more than your words always. There's a story inside your eyes, written softly in disguise. I keep my feelings locked inside, afraid of what I might confide. But every time you come around, my guard slowly falls to the ground. I act like nothing's going on, but deep inside I've known it long. There's a rhythm pulling me near, something honest, something clear. If we speak, will it change it all? try to hide what I can't deny, but my heart won't tell a lie. Every time you look my way, I forget what I meant to say. I've been searching for the right words, but silence speaks louder than hurt. And every moment standing near makes everything suddenly clear. If we speak, will it change it all? Or will love catch us if we fall? Maybe you feel it too, like I do. This quiet fire breaking through. Every glance, every silent clue says there's something real and true. Maybe you feel it too, don't pretend. Motown, soul and reggae groove, telling us what we should do. No more hiding what we feel. Maybe this love is real. Maybe you feel it too, like I do. Like I do. This quiet fire breaking through. Every glance, every silent clue says there's something real and true. Maybe you feel it too, don't pretend. Don't pretend that this could be more than just friends. When the rhythm fades and the night is through, I still feel you. So feel you. Soft bass rolling through the air, two hearts finally aware. No more guessing what is true. Maybe you feel it too. The evening falls so soft and slow, and in your eyes I already know there's something real, something true that pulls my whole heart straight to you. The city lights begin to fade, but your love is the brightest shade. A reggae groove in perfect time makes your heartbeat move with mine. No hesitation, no disguise. Everything I need is in your eyes. It's only you I since you said goodbye. Even the music can't explain why. A slow reggae rhythm on the radio, but every note makes it harder to let you go. We shared some dreams under softer skies, lost in laughter and honest eyes. Now every memory calls your name, like a burning ember in a fading flame. I hold on, but I know inside some loves aren't meant to survive. So I let you go tonight, even though it doesn't feel right. Love don't always stay the same. Sometimes it slips away like rain. I let you go, though it hurts my soul, breaking the only truth I know. When the bassline fades and the lights grow low, it's time for me to let you go. The corner where we used to meet still echoes footsteps on the street. A warm breeze carries your goodbye underneath this lonely sky. The horns of soul begin to play like memories that won't decay. Every smile we used to share still lingers in the evening air. I hold on, but I know inside some loves aren't meant to survive. So I let you go tonight, even though it doesn't feel right. Love don't always stay the same. Sometimes it slips away like rain. I let you go, though it hurts my soul, breaking the only truth I know. When the rhythm slows and the night runs low, it's time for me to let you go. Sweet, but now it's done, like a fading evening sun. So I let you go tonight, even though it doesn't feel right. Love don't always stay the same. Sometimes it slips away like rain. I let you go, though it hurts my soul, breaking the only truth I know. When the bassline fades and the night runs low, it's time for me to let you go. Soft reggae drifting into the dark, leaving behind a tender mark. Some love stay, some must go, and now I finally know. When the night falls softly on the town and every restless voice dies down, I find my thoughts returning to every little thing I share with you. The reggae rhythm flows so slow, like feelings only lovers know. A warm breeze through the midnight air reminds me gently you are there. No matter where I drift or roam, your love still feels like home. I feel always near me, close to my stillness of the night. Your memory feels so right. No matter where I drift or roam, your love still feels like home. I feel you always near me, close to my heart. Even when the miles keep us apart. Like a melody that never fades away. You're in my soul every day. I feel you always near me, soft and true. Every road I take leads back to you. When the bassline hums and the stars shine through, I feel you always near me too. Ooh, let the rhythm carry me slow to the place only we both know. Motown warmth and reggae skies reflected in your loving eyes. Every moment feels so real. This is the only way I feel. I feel you always near me, close to my heart. Even when the miles keep us apart. Like a melody that never fades away. You're in my soul every day. I feel you always near me, soft and true. Every road I take leads back to you. When the rhythm fades and the night is through, I'll still feel always near you. Warm bassline drifting through the night. Everything feels right. No matter where this life may go, you're the only love I know. The wind is soft across the evening sky, and I can see tomorrow in your eyes. The world keeps turning fast and wild, but in your arms I feel like a child. The reggae groove is slow and kind, pulling every worry from my mind. A distant horn and velvet sound keep my wandering heart anchored down. No need to rush. is always near. The world feels gentle when you're near. Even the storms don't feel so severe. With every beat and every song, you make my heart feel it belongs. The world feels gentler in your hands, like shifting soft across the sands. When the rhythm fades but love stays true, I find my world inside of you. Warm bassline fading into night. Everything feels right. No matter where this life may go, your love is all I know. The telephone rings in the quiet night, soft like a whisper in candlelight. Your voice reaches through the fading sound, and suddenly my world turns around. No need for crowds or flashing lights, just you and me in these still nights. The city sleeps but my heart stays awake. Every word you say, I gladly take. When you call, I lose control. You speak straight into my soul. It's a midnight invitation, pulling me in like a secret rhythm beneath my skin. Every sentence, every tone you send feels like a love that will never end. Midnight invitation, soft and true. There's nowhere else I'd rather run to. When the bass line plays and the night is still, you've got my heart against my will. The warm reggae groove moves slow and low, like feelings only we both know. Motown echoes in the distant air, but nothing compares to the love we share. Every ring feels like destiny, calling me back so easily. No hesitation, no disguise, just truth reflected in your eyes. When you call, I lose control. You speak straight into my soul. It's a midnight invitation, pulling me in like a secret rhythm beneath my skin. Every sentence, every tone you send feels like a love that will never end. Midnight invitation, soft and true. There's nowhere else I'd rather run to. When the bass line plays and the night is still, you've got my heart against my will. Ooh, let the record spin real slow, where only true emotions go. Island breeze and soul collide. With you I feel so alive inside. Ooh, no distance, no delay. When your voice calls me away, it's a midnight invitation, pulling me in like a secret rhythm beneath my skin. Every sentence, every tone you send feels like a love that will never end. Midnight invitation, soft and true. There's nowhere else I'd rather run to. When the rhythm fades and the night stands still, you've got my heart, and you always will. Warm bass fading into the dark. You've already left your mark. One call, one truth, one view. I'm forever answering you.
Soothing echoes in soft street light. People talking but they don't know the truth behind the feelings we show. Every corner has a different tale. Some lift you up, some make you pale. But I hold steady, I hold on tight to what we shared on that quiet night. They can speak but they don't see what your love has done to me. Whispered words in the dark don't define my heart. No matter what they say, we'll never drift apart. Through every storm, through every sound, my love for you still stands its ground. Whispered words can't tear us down, even when doubt is all around. When the bassline plays and the truth comes through, all I ever want is you. Ooh. The reggae rhythm keeps it slow, like secrets only lovers know. A warm groove under moonlit skies, where honesty can't be disguised. They try to question what we feel, but they don't know how deep it's real. Every heartbeat tells me so. This kind of love won't let me go. They can speak but they don't see what your love has done to me. Whispered words in the dark don't define my heart. No matter what they say, we'll never drift apart. Through every storm, through every sound, my love for you still stands its ground. Whispered words can't tear us down, even when doubt is all around. When the bassline plays and the truth comes through, all I ever want is you. Ooh, ooh, let the record spin and fade. Let the noise of the world degrade. Motown, soul and reggae blend, a love that time cannot bend. Ooh, in your eyes I see the truth, a love that stays forever you. Whispered words in the dark don't define my heart. No matter what they say, we'll never drift apart. Through every storm, through every sound, my love for you still stands its ground. Whispered words can't tear us down, even when doubt is all around. When the bassline plays and the truth comes through, all I ever want is you. Ooh. Soft bass rolling through the night, everything will be alright. No rumor can undo the love I found in you. The morning light is softer when you're near. Even rainy skies don't bring me fear. Your laughter moves like a melody, turning simple moments into harmony. The world keeps spinning fast outside, but in your love I find my guide. A steady groove, a peaceful tone. With you I never feel alone. Every little thing just falls in place when I see that smile upon your face. We got better days when we're together, holding on through
I see that smile upon your face. We got better days when we're together, holding on through any kind of weather. Your love feels like a song so sweet and true. I find my better days with you. Better days, every step we take, every move we make, every dream we chase. When the rhythm plays and the night is new, I find my better days with you. Ooh, let the record spin slow and long, two hearts moving where they belong. Motown soul and island breeze, bringing my heart to perfect ease. Ooh, every moment feels so right, wrapped in your love tonight. We've got better days when we're together, holding on through any kind of weather. Your love feels like a song so sweet and true. I find my better days with you. Better days, every step we take, every move we make, every dream we chase. When the rhythm plays and the night is new, I find my better days with you. Soft reggae fading into the night, your hand in mine feels right. No matter where this life may go, with you I always know better days will grow. The sun goes down on another day. People rushing as they make their way. But when I see your smiling face, all my worries slowly fade away. The city lights begin to glow, and the evening breeze starts to flow. The music plays from down the street, pulling us together with its steady beat. Some people chase fortunes far and wide, but I have all I need when you're by my side. I'm rich with your love, richer than gold, a treasure in my heart that never grows old. When the world feels cold and the road gets rough, your sweet affection is more than enough. I'm rich with your love, that's plain to see. You're the greatest gift life gave to me. With every kiss and every embrace, you bring sunshine to any place. A warm bassline rolls through the night. Everything feels easy and right. The soulful harmony softly rise like
The night is young and the stars are bright. A gentle breeze is moving through the night. The sound system plays a sweet refrain, and thoughts of you keep dancing through my brain. The warm bassline rolls beneath the moon, and I hope you'll be beside me soon. Every little memory feels so sweet, like a lover's melody with a steady beat. No matter where the road may lead, you're the only one my heart will lead. A heart is waiting just for you, holding a love that's strong and true. Through every season, through sunshine and rain, my feelings for you remain the same. A heart is waiting, open wide, with enough love to last a lifetime. When the music plays and the night feels right, I want you here by my side tonight. The record spins with a velvet sound, and lovers sway gently all around. Soulful harmonies fill the air, a reminder of the bond we share. The moonlight paints silver on the sea, and every wave brings you closer to me. No fancy words are needed tonight, just your smile shining in the candlelight. No matter where the road may lead, you're the only one my heart will need. A heart is waiting just for you, just for you, holding a love that's strong and true, strong and true. Through every season, through sunshine and rain, my feelings for you remain the same. A heart is waiting, open wide, with enough love to last a lifetime. When the music plays and the night feels right, I want you here by my side tonight. Ooh, let the rhythm carry us away till the dawn brings another day. Motown dreams and reggae grooves unite, wrapping us in sweet delight. Ooh, hold me close beneath the stars above, and feel the power of this endless love. My heart is waiting just for you, just for you, holding a love that's strong and true, strong and true. Through every season, through sunshine and rain, my feelings for you remain the same. A heart is waiting, open wide, with enough love to last a lifetime. When the music plays and the night feels right, I want you here by my side tonight. Warm bassline rolling soft and low, the sweetest feeling I've ever known. As the night fades into skies of blue, this heart keeps waiting for you.
gentle touch puts my restless heart at ease. The moon hangs low upon the water's silver line, and every little moment spent with you feels so divine. A sweet bass line is rolling underneath the stars, bringing us together no matter where we are. The music wraps around us like a warm embrace, and all I see is happiness reflected in your face. Every day you give me a reason to smile. You make every mile feel worthwhile. More than words can say, I cherish you. With every sunrise and every shade of blue, like a melody that never fades away, my heart keeps singing your name every day. More than words can say, you light my soul. You make a broken spirit feel whole. When the music plays and the night is new, there's no place I'd rather be than here with you. The lovers sway together as the record spins around, lost within the sweetness of this timeless sound. Soulful voices echo through the warm night air, and every little harmony reminds me that you care. The rhythm moves so gently, steady as the tide, and every dream I've carried comes alive by your side. The stars above are dancing to the song we share, a perfect little moment beyond compare. Every day you give me a reason to smile. You make every mile feel worthwhile. More than words can say, I cherish you. With every sunrise and every shade of blue, like a melody that never fades away, my heart keeps singing your name every day. More than words can say, you light my soul. You make a broken spirit feel whole. When the music plays and the night is new, there's no place I'd rather be than here with you. Ooh, let the rhythm carry us away tonight, wrapped in moonbeams and candlelight. Motown dreams and reggae grooves combine, creating a love so rare and so fine. Ooh, hold me close and never let go. There's a feeling between us that continues to grow. More than words can say, I cherish you. With every sunrise and every shade of blue, every shade of blue, like a melody that never fades away. My heart keeps singing your name every day, every day. More than words can say, you light my soul. You make a broken spirit feel whole. When the music plays and the night is new, there's no place I'd rather be than here with you. gentle smile that eased away my pain. The city lights were glowing soft and low, and something in my heart began to grow. The music drifted from a distant sound, a sweet reggae rhythm all around. You move with grace, so natural and free, and every step brought you closer to me. There was a feeling I could not deny, like a shooting star across the sky. I'm drawn to your light, closer every day, like the moon to the ocean's sway. Your loving spirit shines so bright, guiding my heart through the night. I'm drawn to your light, strong and true. Every dream keeps leading me to you. With every beat and melody, your love feels like home to me. The warm bassline rolled beneath our feet, turning every moment soft and sweet. Soulful harmonies filled the air, and I could feel a magic everywhere. The stars above seemed to dance along, moving gently to our lover's song. No need for words when your eyes speak clear. Everything I need is standing here. There was a feeling I cannot deny, like a shooting star across the sky. I'm drawn to your light, closer every day, like the moon to the ocean's sway. Your loving spirit shines so bright, guiding my heart through the night. I'm drawn to your light, strong and true. Every dream keeps leading me to you. With every beat and melody, your love feels like home to me. Ooh, let the record spin a little longer. Every moment makes this feeling stronger. Motown, soul, and island breeze combine, creating a love so ratified. And ooh, as the night keeps drifting by, I see forever in your eyes. I'm drawn to your light, closer every day, like a moon to the ocean's sway. Your loving spirit shines so bright, guiding my heart through the night. I'm drawn to your light, strong and true. Every dream keeps leading me to you. With every beat and melody, your love feels like home to me. Warm reggae rhythm softly play, while lovers dance the night away. Under the stars, our hearts unite, forever drawn to your light.
The evening sun is melting into gold, and your gentle touch never grows old. A warm breeze
The record spins and the lovers sway, wrapped in the magic of the music's play. Soulful harmonies rise so high, like painted colors across the sky. The rhythm moves with a tender grace, and I see forever in your face. Every promise feels strong and true. My world keeps turning around you. Every moment feels so right, holding you through the night. Forever in my heart, that's where you'll stay. Closer with each passing day, like a sweet reggae song upon the breeze. You bring my soul such perfect ease. Forever in my heart, shining like a star. No matter where we are, with every beat and every melody, your love keeps calling me. Let the music play on slow. There's nowhere else I'd rather go. Motown dreams and island skies, reflected in your loving eyes. Ooh, the night feels young and free, just your love and me. Forever in my heart, that's where you'll stay. Ooh, closer with each passing day, like a sweet reggae song, upon the breeze. Oh, you bring my soul such perfect ease. Forever in my heart, shining like a star, no matter where we are, with every beat and every melody, your love keeps calling me. Warm bassline rolling through the night. Everything feels so right as the stars above softly depart. You'll stay forever in my heart. Oh, yeah. The evening breeze is calling your name, soft as a whisper through the window pane. The stars are dancing over the sea, and every little sparkle reminds me of thee. The rhythm is sweet as the night rolls by. Your loving smile keeps lifting me high. Wrapped in your arms is where I belong, turning every heartbeat into a song. Hold me close, don't let the moment fade. Love like ours was surely made. Moonlight on my shoulder, your hand in mine, moving to the rhythm, keeping perfect time. Every little heartbeat, every tender kiss, bassline rolls like a gentle tide, and I find my peace standing by your side. The harmony rises, sweet and true, carrying dreams I share with you. No storm can shake what we have found, a faithful love built on solid ground. Hold me close beneath the silver sky. With you, my spirit learns to fly. Moonlight on my shoulder, your hand in mine, moving to the rhythm, keeping perfect time. Every little heartbeat, every tender kiss feels like forever in a moment like this. Moonlight on my shoulder, your eyes so bright, shining like a beacon through the quiet night. When the music's playing and the world stands still, my heart keeps loving you and always will. Ooh, the night is warm and the feeling's strong. Together we can never go wrong. Soulful voices rising in the air, a melody of love beyond compare. Ooh, let the sweet reggae play on through. Every note brings me closer to you. Moonlight on my shoulder, your hand in mine, ooh, moving to the rhythm, keeping perfect time. Every little heartbeat, every tender kiss feels like forever in a moment like this. Moonlight on my shoulder, your eyes so bright, shining like a beacon through the quiet night. As the dawn approaches and the stars drift away, I'll keep on loving you more every day. One bassline rolling, lovers sway, soulful hearts together till the break of day. Moonlight on my shoulder, love so true, the sweet reggae song belongs to me and you. Yeah. I saw the sunset fading into gold, heard your sweet voice through the evening cold. The music played softly across the room, like a flower opening in full bloom. You held my hand and you smiled so bright, turning my cloudy day into light. Every word you spoke felt warm and true, and my heart kept reaching out to you. Love should be simple, clear as the sky, nothing to hide, nothing to deny. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, shining like the moon with a gentle light. When your heart speaks, I can feel the sound, like a sweet reggae rhythm all around. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, holding me close till the morning light. Through every season, through every year, your loving presence keeps drawing me near. Oh, bassline rolls like the ocean tide, and all my worries drift aside. The harmony rises smooth and slow, like a river where our feelings flow. We move together beneath the stars, leaving behind all the distant scars. The world keeps turning, but here we stay, lost in the magic of this sweet sway. Love should be simple, clear as the sky, nothing to hide, nothing to deny. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, shining like the moon with a gentle light. When your heart speaks, I can feel the sound, like a sweet reggae rhythm all around. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, holding me close till the morning light. Through every season, through every year, your loving presence keeps drawing me near. Ooh, let the music carry us away, soulful melodies, till the break of day. Motown dreams and island breezes blend in a love story that will never end. Ooh, the night is young and the feeling strong. Together is exactly where we belong. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, shining like the moon with a gentle light. When your heart speaks, I can feel the sound, like a sweet reggae rhythm all around. I see the truth in your eyes tonight, holding me close till the morning light. Through every season, through every year, your loving presence keeps drawing me near. Warm bassline playing, warm bassline playing, lovers embrace, soulful devotion written on every face. As the stars fade into skies of blue, my heart keeps singing this song.